Hi folks, in the last Creo Illustrate tutorial you have learned how to maintain and create the magnifier by Creo Illustrate. Today we would like to focus on the callouts and all preferences. We will start from scratch so we can create a copy of the existing figure and you can create a new one, so I will duplicate the existing one and we can change the name to callouts. I will change the preferences for the render mode. So for example, will be white shaded illustration. I prefer this one, and we can hide a couple of objects there because I'd like to show you what you are able to do and how you can maintain. So we can simply select the component and hide. And for example, we would like to create the callouts for some small subassembly. Let's have a look if this assembly is good one. Yeah, okay, we can isolate the selected one. And over here right now, I'd like to focus on the callouts. So what does it mean? We are able to create the callouts from the scratch. So you can simply select the item callouts and select only preferences and select step by step. If you will create a callout in the previous figure, the system remember the numbers and the system continue. If you would like to start from scratch, or you would like to maintain your custom numbers, you can specify it as the user defined. And for example, you can select and system will ask you, please specify the value. So for example, 55. Yep. And also you would like to see where these information are stored. So if I will open upper data panel, or if I hit F6, the system will show me all just created callouts in the figure content. If you would like to delete them, it's not a problem. You can select them from the 3D area or from this window. You can close it, delete, and you can close it. And then I'd like to show you and continue how you can create another type. What does it mean? I'd like to focus, for example, that you would like to see the item tag. So what does it mean? The system will show you real name of the model. So if I will select, as you can see right now, the system detect the real Creo model because you can see that it's ending the .prt, and then easy to create the callouts or information. If you would like to specify your custom node, you can select node with leader and select, for example, object and specify what you would like to achieve. So over here, you can see that we are able to select double click and we are able to set custom comment. So it's up to you what you would like to write. Also, as you can see, you can specify the different kind of the specification and you can write the comment and define what you want. Yes, something like example that you would like to describe it. As before, you are able to select some additional preferences. So we are able to select edit preferences. And in the new callout edit window, you can change and maintain the visualization of how it will be, looks like. It will be like the rounded shape or rectangle. It's up to you really. Or you can change the colors and specify the necessary information for the user. Also is able to change the leader or specify if the hello will be applied. Last but not least, I'd like to show you that system is also able to show you the additional information. As you can see right now, if I will stay here on the model, the system will able to show me some default name or additional attributes. And how to maintain your additional attributes is really easy because we are able to change the figure settings. And in the figure settings, you are able to jump to the illustration. And over here, you have a tooltips. And as you can see, I have just specified that I like to see the OLE file name. Yep. If I will delete this information and we are able to use the default tooltip, the system will show me only the original file name. Yeah, if you would like to change it and you have more preferences from your import the geometry, you are able to insert attributes, and as you can see, you can specify the pvz file or system properties. If the object will include the Creo parameters, you are able to specify the Creo parameters. So for example, maybe we can try to use the Ebom name, insert value for the Ebom name, and if I will confirm OK, now the system will show me also the Creo name and Ebom name. So what does it mean? If we will change the Ebom directly, the system will take the information from the Ebom representation. In this video tutorial, we have seen how it is possible to show and maintain the callouts, different styles, and also how it is possible to show the tooltip information for the pre-selected objects. Thank you and bye-bye. Vladimir.